What if everything you know was born from pure light? What if every form around you and within you emerges from a cosmic wave of radiance? Sacred Secrets, Episode 1, Light. You live inside a boundless light-wave universe where every shape and substance springs from light itself. When that light vibrates slowly, it condenses into matter. When it vibrates faster, it reemerges as luminous energy. As Walter Russell revealed, God is thinking mind, and his substance is light. Every particle of existence flows from light, for mind finds its purest expression in radiance. The light-wave universe. You can't escape this cosmic alchemy. Two photons hurtling at near light speed collide and instantaneously give birth to an electron-positron pair. That's E equals mc squared in action. Pure energy materializing into matter. Flip the process, let a particle meet its antiparticle, and they implode back into photons, returning matter to pure light. This reversible dance shows you that matter is nothing more than condensed, slow vibrating light, constantly oscillating between tangibility and radiance. Mind as hue. You are a hue man, literally a being defined by color. Your mind operates like a radio receiver, tuned to a single vibrational frequency shaped by your daily thoughts. Every frequency maps to a color. When your mind dwells on fear or anger, you broadcast deep reds across the astral plane. When you cultivate compassion, you glow in gentle greens. Your highest aim? Violet, the most refined hue in the spectrum. Tune your mind toward that vibration, and you'll begin to manifest the qualities of wisdom, unity, and spiritual insight. Perception, elements, and divine mind. You never touch the external world directly. Light waves stream into your retinas, but the reality you see is reconstructed in your visual cortex. The brain decodes raw data into the vivid tapestry you call out there. The ancients knew this. The Cometics carved sacred forms to mirror the union of mind and matter. Even the word element betrays the same secret. El, meaning God, ment, meaning mind. Elements live first in the divine intellect. You are God's mind clothed in flesh, dreaming reality into existence. The electromagnetic spectrum. Your eyes skim only about 0.0035% of the full electromagnetic spectrum, from languid radio waves drifting between galaxies to scorching gamma ray bursts. Energy spans an infinite range, yet your retinas and cortex isolate that narrow slice, visible light, to color your world. That tiny window reminds you light's true grandeur lies far beyond what you see. Thanks for watching. Now you know, you are light incarnate, tuned into a cosmic mind. Every thought you hold, every color you project, shapes the universe around you. If this illumination sparks something within you, like this video, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments, what's your dominant hue?